Hey, what's up, friends and family? Man, I'm loving this new website we built for one of our uh, digital home automation clients. We love what they're doing at Premium Digital Control and Automation, incredible company. And the clients are an amazing company. They deal with a lot of luxury homes, Turnberry, Ritz Carlton, commercial space. They're doing incredible high end digital automation um, work, smart homes, and they wanted a restoration hardware Tesla like website. And my design team was able to do great work and collaborating with the clients and collaborating amongst themselves. And I really love the outcome of where they are. As you can see, it's a very simple build, straight to the point. Um, Here's the brands they work with, some of the top brands in the world: Control 4, Coastal Source, Creston, Ketra, Lutron, Sevant, Somfy. And so if you just go through the site, you'll see it's just really conveying the beauty of. So these are their actual projects, okay? Smart commercial spaces. Um, and for each one, we just have a nice little pop up video that kind of just tells their story instantly. Okay. Um, and so, yeah, I'm just loving how this turned out as a case study. We'll actually submit a case study on all that went on in this project, but just a beautiful WordPress. We're constantly speeding and optimizing it, adding new blogs, enhancing their SEO, so that, God willing, over the next few months and year, they become the most dominant SEO driven, AI driven website. Okay. And this is going to be very exciting to be part of their growth. I mean, they're already a great company, but to be part of their growth even more is going to be just exciting. I mean, I love working with quality companies, quality clients, and this is just one of them. This is great. Thank you.